Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to change system sound output in Windows 11. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Press the Windows key plus I on your keyboard, or right-click on the Start button and select Settings. In the Settings window, click on System. In the System window, click on Sound. In the Sound Settings window, find the Choose Where to Play Sound section. Select the device you want to use for sound output from the list. You can also click on the device to change its settings, and test the sound by clicking on Test to play audio, and ensure it's working correctly. You can also click on the speaker icon in the taskbar, then click on the Select Sound Output icon, and choose the device. Or you can press Windows key plus Control plus V to open sound output. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.